Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Decoration Ideas 289. Today's video is going to backyard decoration, kitchen decoration ideas and outdoor kitchen designing. It is very beautiful, nice looking of your favorite home outdoor decoration ideas and outdoor kitchen decor ideas and latest designing United States country style. And this is amazing, nice looking. Show this again, very beautiful kitchen cabinets, open kitchen designing and open kitchen tables designs. Show this again, very beautiful fireplace decoration ideas and outdoor kitchen designing. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. I show you a picture of home decoration ideas and home interior and home outdoor indoor decoration ideas, kitchen designing. It is amazing, nice looking, favorite decor ideas, latest designing, United States country style here and there. If you can enjoy this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel Home Decoration Ideas, latest designing, United States country style. It is great, nice looking. Show this again. I hope you liked this video and I am really excited to share this video your friends and your families and WhatsApp groups. Share this link, my videos, WhatsApp group and Facebook groups, your friends. And great, nice looking, like this video and thanks for watching this video. Until next time.